Welcome back. We're still tuned into Midcap Radar on CNBC-TV18. Well, markets, they continue to be volatile, but stock-specific action is something that we are looking at today. And this is our special segment, Midcap Spotlight. So we will focus on Rico Auto and what is driving the moves that we are seeing on the stock in the last 6 months. Surbi.
Hi, thanks for that. So Rico Auto is buzzing in trade today, and in the last 6 months, it has gained over 80%. It is an auto ancillary company with core competencies in aluminium and ferrous casting auto components. 50% of its revenues come from the passenger vehicle space, 35% from the two-wheeler space, and the remaining 50% from the commercial vehicle space. 38% of their revenues come from engines and 22% from transmissions. 7% of their revenues come from EV components, and that is what the street is excited about the most. Now, that could work in the favor of the company, as management alluded to us earlier that this 7% of EV components could go up to 25% of revenues in the next few years. Apart from that, they're expecting a revenue growth of 15 to 20% every year. Their FY22 revenues were 1860 crores, and in FY23 they expect a revenue of 2400 crores, which is close to a 30% growth year on year. And they expect double-digit margins going forward. Their FY22 margins were 8.5%, and by FY24, they expect margins upwards of 10%. And lastly, what could be working for the company is an increased interest from institutional investors.
Thank you very much for that. Earlier today, we also spoke with Arvind Kapoor, the Chairman and Managing Director, Rico Auto Industries, about the order pipeline and margin outlook. Listen in.
In this calendar year, we have actually booked further orders for the future, which is to the tune of almost 1,400 crores. And out of which, almost between 75% plus minus 5% is what the electrification space is. We did announce that. Next day, you'll see that we are doing the double-digit space as far as the margins concerned, and for the next year. And our growth for the next couple of years would be in the region of about 15% plus, I would say around 20% that we are looking to grow for the next couple of years.
All right, that is the word coming in from Rico Auto.